This mistake ruins tile installs, even when everything looks fine at first. Most tile failures don't happen because someone was careless. They happen because small technical details get missed early, and once tile is installed, those mistakes become expensive problems. I've seen this pattern again and again. A tile job looks great when it's finished, but months later tiles crack, loosen, or fail, and homeowners are left stuck wondering what went wrong. One of the biggest causes is poor surface preparation. Tile is only as strong as what's underneath it. If the surface isn't flat, clean, and properly prepared, the installation is already compromised. Even small flatness issues can create stress points that lead to cracked tile or weak bond strength. Dust, debris, or residue left on the surface can prevent proper adhesion, causing tiles to release over time. This step gets rushed more than almost any other, and it's the foundation of the entire installation. Another common failure point is using the wrong adhesive. Not all tile installations use the same materials, but many jobs are treated that way. Large format tile requires specific bonding mortars designed to support the tile's size and weight. Bathrooms and kitchens need mortars rated for moisture exposure. Using the wrong product might work temporarily, but it often leads to tiles shifting, popping loose, or failing prematurely. Industry standards are another area where problems begin. Tile installation isn't just craftsmanship, it's a technical trade with defined guidelines. Installers who understand standards know why certain steps matter, not just how to move quickly through the job. That knowledge shows up in proper coverage, layout, movement accommodation, and long-term durability. Manufacturer guidelines also matter more than people realize. Each product is designed to work within specific conditions, from mortar choice to cure time. Ignoring those instructions can void warranties and shorten the life of the installation. Following them protects both the tile and the homeowner's investment. The good news is most tile failures are preventable. Planning ahead, using the correct materials, and following industry standards eliminates most problems before they start. This is where expert guidance makes a real difference. An experienced review can catch issues early, before tile is installed and before costly repairs are needed. Tile should be a long-term upgrade, not a future headache. When the right steps are taken up front, it performs exactly the way it should. Independent build risk review, in the link below. I teach you how to know if tile work is done right so the work lasts.